alaikum everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to print our alphabet letters freebie. These can be cut out into flashcards and used to teach your child about the letters, both writing upper and lower case, as well as their sounds. In the description, I'll be linking an excellent phonics video, so make sure to check it out. Now let's get started. Step number 1. Put the appropriate printer paper in the printer. So we recommend using cardstock because it's more durable. After that, open the PDF document and click print. Then choose the printer, make sure it's on, choose the layout as portrait, and select all the pages. In the color section, choose color if you're printing the red version. If you are printing the black version, then choose black and white. Click print on one side. If you're printing the double-sided version, then choose print double-sided flip on the long edge. Choose the paper size as A4. Then choose fit to printable area or actual fit. Look at the preview and see which one works best for you. You get to choose the size of the card. So if you want them very large, you can just keep one page per page. But this document is formatted for 4 per page. So that's what we recommend. So we're going to choose 4 per page. Then click print. Then once you cut them out, you can use them for various activities. We actually have a video with different flashcard games to teach your child the alphabet. So make sure to check it out. See you there.